It's been a great experience having worn glasses all my life. I don't have to do that anymore.
Immediately from the first operation on my right eye, I could see perfectly well, and I was quite overwhelmed by it all.
I knew the minute I sat up that I could see, and it was quite astonishing.
It's like 3D. The definition that you see is absolutely remarkable.
It's the most non-invasive operation I think I've ever had, and incredibly straightforward, but the results are so rapid. It's so worth it, and I haven't been to see like this for 30 years.
It's really given me back my sight. I can't remember in the whole of my lifetime being able to see as clearly as this.